Hello, this is Kangtae over here. My group and I are currently doing experiment 1, which is how to make a rainbow. Well, it's very easy. These are materials you need. You need a torchlight, a piece of paper with a triangle, a glass of water, and a screen. I drew an arrow here so that it will be easier for us to see the rainbow. Okay, now set out the experiment. What you do is just slowly move the triangle down until you see a rainbow. See, there is one right there. Over here. This is Kangtae over here. My group and I are currently doing experiment 2, which is how to focus a beam of light. It's very easy. You just need double convex lenses. This can be found in magnifying glasses and the previous experiment that we did just now. Now I'll set it up and show it to you. Well, here's what you do. You slowly put the double convex lenses in front of the beam and adjust it. You see that white spot? That's the concentrated light. So, why does it happen? The double convex lenses will focus the light together in one spot. So, why does it come out as white light? Because the rainbows are still made of the 7 colors which produce the white light. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. So in the end they still converge together and end up as white light.